Hi, good morning. Welcome back once again to English classes. Today we are going to verify SGT model paper. The first remaining bits of the all subjects are just going to be read and giving the answer. Of course, if you have not the time to see or to watch mobile, so then you can just listen. You will get the answers as well as the question and answers into your mind. So that's why now we have to go just listening the bits of the remaining subject. For the purpose of the English, that English bits are explained clearly. English bits wherever it is starting 71 or 81 onwards, the explanation is given more clearly. So we have to verify that. Now we'll start to verify the paper. Australian Open 2018 tennis women's singles title was won by Caroline Wozniacki. Caroline Wozniacki. Yeah, that's next second one. The author of Exam Warriors. The author of Exam Warriors is done by Narendra Modi. It was done by that the particular thing. It is started by the Narendra Modi. Next, number of schedules in Indian Constitution is 12. Next, 24th January, that is 24th January is observed as National Girl Child Day. Yeah, next, the state which the state at which Kaiga nuclear power plant is located in Karnataka. It's located in Karnataka. Next, 6. Grasslands of North America is at prairies. Prairies. Next, the person who is known as Dinabandhu, C.F. Andrews. C.F. Andrews. Next, in India Project Tiger was established in this year, that is 1973. It is established. The headquarters of UNESCO is located at Paris. Paris. UNESCO is located at Paris. The strength of Legislative Council of the Andhra Pradesh at present is 58. 58. McMahon line is in between those two countries, India, China. Anemometer is anemometer is used to measure wind spread, wind speed, wind speed. In 2016, the Sahitya Academy Award in Telugu was given to Papineni Shivashankar. It's given to Papineni Shivashankar. The chemical used for artificial rain is silver iodide. Silver iodide. The enclave of Pondicherry within Kerala state. The enclave of Pondicherry within Kerala state, Mahe. That is Mahe at Mahe. One of the following produces vitamin D for human body. Skin. Skin. The planet without natural satellite is Mercury. Mercury. Next, the following states selected Indian roller as their state bird. Indian roller. That is Odisha, Karnataka, Telangana. Odisha, Karnataka, Telangana. They selected as the state bird Indian roller. This temple has been awarded as the most visited temples of the world on November 26, 2017 by World Book of Records, Golden Temple of Amritsar, Golden Temple of Amritsar. Former Prime Minister A.B. Vajpayee was awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 2014. The committee or commission which has given suggestions to arrest wastage and stagnation is Hartog Committee. Hartog Committee. The record which gives comprehensive information about the student from the time of admission till he leaves the school is cumulative record. Cumulative record. The nature of thinking about the other's feelings, experiences, and pains by holding their position is empathy. Empathy. As per this Constitution, amendment of Indian Constitution, education was included in a concurrent list in 1976. That constitutional amendment is 42. 42. In accordance to Children's School Bag Act, the weight of the school bag should not be exceed this much percentage to body of the weight of the child. That is only 10% of the body of the weight of the child. The player in Coco who tries to touch the runner is called active chaser. Active chaser. The most suitable test to identify the gifted children is aptitude test. The percentage of population with mild retardation among the total general population is 2. National Council of the Teacher Education is having its Eastern official at Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar. Excessive thirst is a characteristic feature that will be found in some diabetic patients is polydipsia. Polydipsia. Between the age of 2-3 years, children participate in this type of play, parallel play, parallel play. Generally, a child starts walking independently at this age, 15 months. Generally, 15 months. Habits are always learned. Habits are always learned. The determinant of achievement behavior is the incentive value of success on the task at hand. Learning a second language unfolds more effectively when initiated prior to 7 years. The child capacity to use mental imaginary and symbols lead to object permanence. A major crisis of adolescence, according to Erickson, is identity. Hypothetical reasoning develops in formal operational stage. The child with an IQ of 128 is very superior. Guilford's structure of intellect model states that creative solutions to problems are found through divergent thinking, thinking differently in the different way. The subject matter of the cognitive science is information processing. The theory that explains forgetting in two ways was retractive inhabitation and proactive inhabitation is interference theory. Interference theory. The part of memory with the smallest capacity is sensory memory. Sensory memory. The psychologist Elizabeth B. Hurler has undertaken researches on incentives For Erikson, the psychological crisis of the stage is addressed by skill development and social interaction during the elementary school years when children must explore their abilities, talents, and peer relationships. That is industry versus inferiority. Inferiority. The author of the book, Hereditary Genius, Francis Galton. Francis Galton. Which of the following is a projective test? The Rorschach ink blot test. The Rorschach ink blot test. The correct sequence leading to behavior imbalance in homeostasis need drive behavior. Homeostasis need drive behavior. A physical and mental response to a challenging or threatening situation is called stress. The responses in classical conditioning are originally innate reflexes. Yeah, this is Telugu. క్రింది పాత్రలతో సంబంధం ఉన్న పాఠాలను జతపరచండి. Yeah, it is by learning only you are getting. Second one, క్రింది వానిలో సరి అయిన పద్యపాద క్రమాన్ని గుర్తించండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫ్రమ్ ద లర్నింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఓన్లీ. అచ్చం తాత పరంధామయ్య గారిలాగే మాట్లాడుతున్నావమ్మా అని అందరూ ఈమెను ఉద్దేశించి అన్నారు. సౌజన్య. ధ్వానం అనే పదానికి అర్థం ధ్వని. యా, ఇరుగు పొరుగు నేస్తాలను బంధువులు చూసి చెప్పే మీరందరూ లేకపోతే నా గతి ఏ మగునో కదా. ఇట్ ఈస్ సెడ్ బై కుందేలు. దుర్యోధనుడంత మాత్రము జయంజాలడో అని పెం. యతి స్థానము యం. సత్యాలను గుర్తించండి. దిస్ ఆర్ ద సౌండ్స్ గివన్. ఆ ఈ. ఉప్పరము పర్యాయ పదాలు. నభం అంతరిక్షం. లీల నానార్థాలు. ఆట పోలిక. అక ప్రత్యయం. హేత్వర్క వాక్యం. హేత్వర్థక వాక్యం. సరైన దాన్ని గుర్తించండి. మహాప్రాణాలకే వర్గయుక్కులని పేరు. గోపి చూశాడు, విస్తుపోయాడు, ఉడికిపోయాడు, పళ్ళు కొరుక్కున్నాడు. వీటిలో గల అలంకారం స్వభావోక్తి అలంకారం. నిస్తేజము నందలి సంధి విసర్గ సంధి. నవయుగం సమాసం పేరు. విశేషణ పూర్వపద కర్మధారయ సమాసం. షట్ చక్రవర్తులలో లేనివాడు భోజుడు. కరువు కాటకమంటూ కనిపించని కాలాలులెప్పుడో అని ఆవేదన వెలిపించిన కవి పేరు దాశరథి. ఈ క్రింది పాఠాలను అకారాది క్రమంలో గుర్తించండి. యా, ప్రకృతిలో అందమైన పువ్వులు ఉన్నాయి. ఈ వాక్యంలో 2 నామవాచకాలు, ఒక విశేషణము, ఒక క్రియ ఉన్నాయి. ప్రకృతి, పువ్వులు 2 నామవాచకాలు. అందమైన విశేషణం, క్రియ ఉన్నాయి. పిష్టపేషణం జాతీయ అర్థం. ఒకే పనికి ఉపయోగం లేకుండా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చేయడం పిష్టపేషణం. తృప్తి, తెప్పలు, వికృతి. మానవులు భాషను వర్తమాన సంఘటనలకే కాక భూత భవిష్యత్తుల గురించి కూడా మాట్లాడగలరు. ఇది ప్రేరణ దూరత. మధ్యతరగతి ప్రజలు ఉపయోగించే భాషా రూపం ప్రాంతీయ ప్రమాణ రూపం. అకార్డింగ్ టు రీజన్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి స్పీకింగ్. బీరువా ఈ భాషా పదం, పోర్చుగీసు భాషా పదం. ఆధునిక సాహిత్య ధోరణులను విద్యార్థులకు వివరిస్తూ ప్రతీకవాద ధోరణికి చెందిన కావ్యంగా దీనిని పేర్కొంటారు. సినివాలి. కనీస అభ్యర్థన స్థాయిలో 2.5.3ని సూచించే ఉప సామర్థ్యం. సన్నివేశాలను, సంఘటనలను వర్ణించడం. హౌస్ సిస్టంలో ఇది ముఖ్యమైనది. యోజన పద్ధతి. ప్రశ్నపత్రంలో అన్ని బోధనాంశాలకు సముచిత ప్రాధాన్యం ఉంటే వ్యాపకత అంటారు. నూతన శబ్ద పరిచయం, విషయ పరిచయం, ఉచ్చారణ దక్షత, భావ ప్రకటన కౌశలం, వీటికి ప్రాధాన్యం ఇవ్వాల్సిన చర్య వాచిక చర్య. ప్రస్తుత సంగ్రహణాత్మక మూల్యాంకనంలో 9-10 తరగతులకు పేపర్ 2లో అవగాహన ప్రతిస్పందనలు కేటాయించబడిన మార్కుల శాతం 30%. వర్గ విధేయ లిపిని ఈ గుర్తుల మధ్యన రాస్తారు స్లాషెస్. Nightmare Abbey was English novel written by Thomas Lowry. The Tempest by William Shakespeare. Dante Alighieri's Divine Comedy was written by H.W. Longfellow. The Hills of Join was written by H.L. Mencken. The high point or turning point in a story is called a climax ending point. Subscription in the letter should be written at the end of the body. That is yours lovingly. Yours truly, like that. Choose the correct article. Okay. The proposal was accepted by das unanimous vote. U is ya sound. Before ka to bandira sounds, we are writing a. So ya sound. So before the ya sound, you are writing a. A unanimous. Here, before ka to bandira sounds, we are writing a. And a to au sound, that is the vowel sounds. 20 are there. Vowel sounds. A sounds to, E sounds to, U sounds to, A, I, O, au, like that 20 sounds are there. Before that vowel sounds, 20 sounds, and writing. Ka to bandira sounds A writing. So here we made an E, English E sound, an. Ja sound, A, ka to bandira sound. The other day, particular saying, the other day. So that's why A and the. Next. The sun will not rise dash an hour. For an hour. Prepositions, we have to practice more and more. Otherwise, it is difficult to understand the prepositions. Choose the correct sentence regarding the correct use of the prepositions. The beggar was found guilty of theft. Yeah. Of theft only right. In theft, by theft, with theft, it's not right. Prepositionally, it's not correct. Remaining sentence, the beggar was found guilty is right only, but only preposition is used wrong in the remaining 3 sentences. Of theft is right. All the members of the family were in the party except Kumar. Choose the part of the speech. Noun connecting means preposition. Kumar, noun connecting word. Noun connecting means preposition only. Choose the sentence that has 2 adjectives. Honest, sincere. 2 adjectives are here. Here, well, only 1 adjective. Here, you work always face. No adjective. Take these baskets and bring water. No adjective. So, first one is right answer. Choose the compound sentence among the following. Compound means it must have the conjunction and having conjunction. The first one is simple sentence. Second one also order or imperative sentence. That is also simple sentence only. The last one is this is also simple sentence because no conjunction is used. I don't like it. This is negative statement because it's telling the negative one, negative attitude. She was planning to go to London, but she changed her mind. Was planning to. That is intention. Her intention. Uh, the bell dash when we arrived at school. Yeah, arrived past tense. So before that completed means had plus V3. This is actually past tense is given here. If you find the past tense in the sentence V2, here the other verb is maybe the past continuous or past perfect. So work it is completed. So had already rung. Future you won't take. And would have rung means if it is a conditional, if in place, if is there, you can use. But here simple past tense is there and conjunction is there, so that's why you can use this. He found that he dashed by the shopkeeper the day before. Had been cheated. That he had been cheated by. As it is the by, here you can use passive verb. Passive verb. Had been. Passive verb means verb coming with be form. Been plus V3. Been plus V3. Easy way to add. Choose the word with stress on the third circulation. Yeah, this is a Protestant, purpose starting, accident starting, population L third one. First one is a Protestant T, purpose P, accident A. Only this is lation, population. Rules. Whenever TION is there, stress coming in the starting letter, lay, because TION is there. So, lation. Choose the word with the sound A. This is the symbol of A. Men, A sound. Mean, E sound. Man, A sound with Ya. Main, A, May, A sound. Choose the word in which the letter is N silent. Train, enemy, dam, dam, N silent. Earn. So this is silent N. Identify the wrong statements. Language is extendable. Language transmits culture. Language is creative. Language doesn't exhibit redundancy. It can exhibit. You can't say doesn't. It can exhibit itself. Next. Child-centered learning gives importance to children's experiences and their views. In the word books, B is consonant and also voiced bilabial. That means voiced coming from the vocals. Bilabials means pronouncing with the lips. Bilabial meaning pronouncing with the lips. B. B. Voiced means coming from the vocals here. These are called the vocals. And plosive sound. B. Plosive. Plosive means releasing air out of the mouth when speaking. B releasing voice out of the mouth. So voiced, bilabial and plosive. Identify the false statement. Learners need to be very tall and strong to play language games. No. Language games, all this is no need. Of course the physical, some games it is needed. Identify the teaching situation that is not favorable for any basic teaching. Large learning groups. Identify the pair of sentences in which homonyms. Amaravati is the capital of city of Andhra Pradesh. I need some capital to start a business. Two homonyms are there. Here the capital of the city we are taking as the capital. It is the biggest city like this. You can take for keeping all our everything in a center. Here the capital means capital to start a business. Capital means here a certain amount. To start a business, you need a certain amount. So homonyms. Here these are the two words, but the meanings is coming differently. Teaching learning materials are used to make the teaching learning joyful. Planning progression from year plan, next unit plan, next lesson plan. It is called planning progression. The most important aspect of learning are making meaning and developing capacity for abstract thinking, reflection and work. The form of the direct question are incomplete statement of the following, which alternatives are provided, is called stem. Yeah, if the area of the rectangular plot is 2400 meters square, its length is 1.5 meters, and its breadth, then its perimeter is in meters. Yeah, first you have to find out the breadth. Why? Because so the area that is 2400 by, it is coming 3 by 2. The breadth is coming. After that, you can find out the perimeter. The radius of a circle is 7 centimeter. Ratio of the circumference area. Area is equal to pi r square. The ratio of that means it is particular going to be particular formula. So according to that, the ratio is coming 2:7. 2 pi r is to 7 pi r square. So here also KL parallel MN and PQ is the transversal and angle KOP is equal to, and so is given. These are the maths. You have to practice yourself. If one of the exterior angle is 125 degrees and the interior opposite angles are 2:3, then the one of the angles is totally 5x. This is 5x is equal to 125, x is equal to 25. So then one of the angles means one is 3 into 25, 75. Other is 2 into 25, 50. So you can find here 75. This is doing, you have to take this p minus q minus r. 2 power. So this is also, you have to do the problem divided by 7. So like this. Sum of the two numbers 29. One number exceeds 5 the other. That means one number x. Other number x plus 5. X plus 5. 2x plus 5 is equal to 29. 2x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 by 2. It is coming. Yeah. So now one of that it is becoming 17. Rather is, so here you can take one is x, other is x plus 5. Okay, now so automatically it is getting. Next, Radha is 24 years older than Sita, and Radha's age was thrice age of the Sita. Then the age of the Sita is, Radha is 24 years older than a daughter. Daughter Sita is x. Her age is x plus 24. So 6 years ago, like that you can take, it will come. The angles of quadrilaterals, so all these are there. Then the smaller angle in degrees is, so all you have to add x plus x minus 10, x plus 30, so that is equal to 360 degrees. Then it is coming x value. Yeah, you can verify. Just read that the least square number divisible by each of the following is, so like that. You are going with the system process of the LCM and SCF. The value of this, you just check and you practice yourself this. My main intention here is to explain English and give the total paper for the purpose of DSC students. Yeah, one of the merit of the analytic method is strengthens the urge to discover new things. Less number of the points has been allotted to the following criteria in assisting the maths textbook as per the Hunter scorecard. Book get up cost. Consists of same topics are taught in the same class. The gap 2 or 3 months after revision of the previous concepts. This method is called spiral method. exploration, presentation, simulation, organization, and recitation, Mauritian approach, counting four fundamental operations can be taught easily by using this material. 6 ohms, 12 ohms are connected in the parallel. Parallel means 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Then it is coming the answer. The slope of the displacement time graphs gives velocity. The laws of reflection holds good for all reflecting surfaces. This is not the unit of the amplitude m3, m cubed. A ball is thrown vertically up with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. The maximum height that the ball can reach is the formula we can take from the F is equal to ma. One of the following does not conduct electricity: alcohol. Caloric value of the fuel is amount of the heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. The incorrect statement regarding thermoplastic is it can't be remolded. Tyndall effect is scattering of light. Identify the correct set of chronic diseases. Filaria, diabetes. Yes, also like this. Shredded wheat, sweet potato, beans, leaf vegetables are rich in roughages. Mineral that increases the quality of the smell, color, and taste of the fruits is potassium. The study of the remains of ancient life forms, paleontology. Paleontology. Stomata and roots hair are formed from dermal issue. Thermal issue. The smooth muscles responsible for peristaltic movement in Oesophagus are circular muscles and longitudinal muscles. Natural selection means nature only decides which organism should survive or perish. Identify the granulocytes from the following: eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils. The gases that do not allow the loss of the heat from surface of the earth: carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, methane. Yeah, a theory is dynamic. The first step in the scientific method is identification of the problem. We generally retain 90% of what they want and do. Example of the item to be entered in unbreakable stock register: spring balances, optical balances. The principles of the circular conformations. Principles of activity centeredness. Father of atomic research in modern India is Homi J. Bhabha. Passenger in moving train losses, so like that. Application to daily life. Estrogen female dash male. Analogy type. The specific behavior that belongs to the affective domain is appreciation of the interdependency of animals and plants. Distribution of fresh water on the surface of the earth lakes: 87%, 11%. The Vijayanagara king who was defeated by Sultans Ira. Let's verify. The practice of Namgars was said by Shankaradeva. The highest temperature recorded in Libya in the 1992 is 57.8 degrees. In 1996, East India Association, Dadabhai Naoroji. The subject comes under the state list agriculture. The first one-day international cricket match was at Melbourne. The tribes in southeastern and southwestern portions Nigeria respectively are Igbo and Yoruba. So you can verify this and have the answers remaining. The main theme here is just given the English explanation. I hope you understand. And here also, if you have still any doubts from your DSC papers or the SCT, please leave comment on the comment box. Yeah, then I will try to give the right answer for you. And I will, with the explanation I will give. There no issue. I think it will help you a lot because all the world papers are more and more important for your SGT examination. So I hope it will help you a little in your preparation. Yeah, this is the model paper what I given already. So, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.